Hi, welcome back to SubPar Cooking. In today's video, we're making an omelet. For today's omelet, you're going to need the ingredients here. The ingredient list will be in the description below. Check it out. Alright, first step, scramble 2 eggs. Simple as that. You ready? Now we're going to scramble them. You probably want to do about 2 eggs because that's about all you need for an omelet. We're going to go ahead and cut up some stuff to go in our omelet. So we're going to start with some pepper right here. Just cut it all up into little bitty pieces. Cut it. The footage, cut the footage. Alright, you want some sort of meat product in your omelet to give it some more protein. So I'm just taking some sliced ham sandwich meat. Take some of that out and shred it up into little pieces. Put in your omelet.
What's the next step?
Cook.
Belt.
Let's turn on our burner to a nice heat there. Alright. And then we're gonna put our butter on and get her going. And once the butter's ready to go, just, oh, that's hot, shoot, okay. Go ahead and get that going.
No.
Oh God. Go ahead and put your ingredients in there, just,
Throw them on down.
throw them on down. We're gonna wanna go ahead and flip that over. And then, okay. Go ahead and put that on the plate. And that's your omelet. I gotta add salsa!
Alright, cool, let's do that.
Alright, so once your omelet's finished, you can spice it up a little bit, take some salsa, pour it right on top. Alright, now that our omelet's done, let's give it a try. What can I say? That's a good omelet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to tune in next time on SubPar Cooking. Whew, glad I finished that video. Harris, what are you doing? Oh no. Where did you go wrong?